That's what it is.
Let's start marination already, okay? Yeah. Do you like it?
Whole spices.
What is it? Cumin.
Cumin.
Clove and black pepper. And you know what is it?
Cheese.
Cardamom.
Cardamom.
You know what is it? Fennel. Garam masala. You know what is it? Cumin powder.
Cumin powder.
It's just aromatic. Smells nice.
First over.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Masala.
And sour cream.
Over here. Little bit more. Here. Do you know what is it here? Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Mint and
Mint.
coriander.
Coriander.
All go here. We're gonna squeeze lemon just right, okay? Need mussels for that. Alright, let's squeeze lemon here. Aye! More mussels! Onion.
Onion!
Fried onion. You wanna push? Yes, alright, we can watch. It's done. So we not keep this.
Oopsie. Ooh.
Yummy?
No, you.
Yum. Looks yummy, looks ready. Go. Yeah. Go sit over there.
What?
Sit over there. Try the rice first, then chicken. And let me know if it's tasty or not.
Tasty.
Tasty?